Welcome to my new series, Meals for 4, under $10. Each week, I will bring you a new delicious and nutritious meal for 4 people that cost only $10 to make. Each video will include the recipe and grocery list, as well as tips and tricks. This week, we are making chicken salad, served with crackers or on a buttery crescent roll with a nice side salad. Start by cutting up some rotisserie chicken. 2 cuts of diced chicken should make a nice amount of salad. Dice a medium onion and 1 stalk of celery. Optionally, you can add in chopped grapes or apples. Half a cup of grapes, cut into small pieces, or a medium apple diced should do the trick. Add garlic and onion powder to taste and about 2 heaping tablespoons of mayonnaise. Stir until well combined. Open a salad kit or make one of your own by combining your favorite salad ingredients. There you have it. A delicious and nutritious meal your family will love, all for under $10.